Hello everyone, and welcome to this little flip through walkthrough of this little folio. It's all encased in a very pretty cover. It's really delicious. And on the front we've got this journal word, and in each corner we've got some sparklies, and it's not picking it up how sparkly they are. They are very sparkly. And it's fastened by this little tie, which is pretty and works well. And then inside, oh, look at that, it's so lovely. We've got this very big envelope here, and it's the same pattern as the cover, so it all matches nicely, and it's quite sizable. And inside that we have this lovely little booklet. Once again, the word is on lace, and in each of the corners we've got some sparkly stones. And it's a functioning notebook. Pages inside, and they're fairly thick, these, so they're very usable. And it's tied, it's hand sewn and tied in the middle. So that's the notebook, pretty cover, and it lives in this envelope here and slides inside the folio, and it's held in place with this pretty pink ribbon. So that's that side. And on the other side we've got this folio folder, which is just lovely, and it's held in by this lace belly band, and the back page just slides in and out, so as you can easily take it in and take it out. No drama there. So let's have a look through this. This is the cover, some lace, some roses, which is kind of the overarching theme of this, I think, probably roses. It's got 4 little sparklies in the corner, and it says love, which is so nice. And some little collage there made with some roses. Then inside we've got this tuck spot here, a little journaling card in this one, which is small but big enough to get an email address on, or an address, or whatever it is that you need to write down in a hurry, and they just pop into there and stay there. On every pocket, as we go through, you'll see they're very similar, with the ribbon at the top, the row of sparklies and the lace, and they all have a word. This one is thankful, and it's got 4 sparklies in each corner, and then 2 really good usable journaling cards. All the journaling cards are backed with coffee stain paper, so they're ready to go. You know, lots of journaling to be had here. And if that wasn't enough for you, in between the pages there is a big pocket, and in the pocket there is a big journaling space. So you can get lots on there, and it just tucks away into there, and it's a secret. I love this paper, I love it. It's got a little satin bow, and then it's got this journaling card, dictionary paper with a daffodil, and once again it's backed, so it's ready to go. It's ready for you to use in journaling. Over here in every pocket we've got the library tag. It was in the front page too, and they've all got flowers on them. This has got a rose and a dove. This one here's got a rose, and a really big useful journaling card there. Isn't this paper lovely? You know, with the music on it, so shabby. It's so shabby, yet it's so pretty. I've never quite got over the shabby chic craze. I'm kind of stuck in it, and I love it. And it's just, to me, it's prettiness personified. So they fit in there. The word on this page is creative. It's the same basic structure. Paper's different, obviously. The paper matches the backing. And it's still got the 4 very sparkly corner studs in it. Then same thing here, another massive journaling card in between those 2 pages. Here we've got a little belly band, that's nice, with a satin ribbon, and the belly band is actually a sort of tape measure. It's paper, but it's made to look like a tape measure. And because of that, I thought, well, it looks a bit sewing. Let's go down the sewing route. So I've put this journaling card in, but it's kind of the shape of a bobbin, and it says ribbons, laces and threads, accessories, and it's a very pretty lady, and she just fits in there just nicely. So that's a kind of sewing inspired page. This one, the library card again, with the rose at the bottom, and this, I've actually used this image quite a lot in various different guises. I love it. It's one of my favourite pictures. And the word on here is family. Exactly the same with the 4 sparklies. And as we turn over, we've got another one of these big journaling spaces here. Really useful. And it tucks away in there, so nobody would ever know it was there. You can write your deepest secrets. This says chocolate, and it says chocolate because I was hungry when I made it. So I've put chocolate on there, and it's got a little journaling card in, so that tucks into there nicely. Same public library card, so the theme runs all the way through. And then this shabby postcard, ready for you to journal on. They're all ready to go. I'll slide nicely into there. And same thing here, and the word here is believe. And then on the back, there's just a little collage, little shabby collage. For the sake of prettiness. Can never have too much prettiness. And that the last page there, just as I showed you earlier, it just slides under there just to make your folio complete. Of course, you know, you can take them out individually, pop them in your handbag, pop them in your shopping bag, take them on holiday, whatever it is. If you don't want to take the whole thing, just take one of the components. It folds over, it folds away nicely, and then it just ties up with this bit of string. So there we are, there's our shabby folio. Really pretty, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Bye.